Pretty sure he's here. Heyo. Did you hear that?
I'm sorry. No, I don't think so. What's up?
Oh. Nothing. No, never mind. What's going on, man?
I guess probably allergies or something.
I'm talking about why I sneezed. I'm talking about why you didn't say bless you.
Oh, you know I'm not really into that whole thing, so.
You've definitely said bless you to me before.
To you? I doubt that.
You say that as if there's other people that you say bless you to? What is that about?
Oh, you thought that was your phone? It was my phone. It was actually my girlfriend. Something that you don't have.
Whoa, that was way out of left field, man.
Well, maybe if you had a girlfriend, you'd get somebody to say bless you every once in a while. Bless you.
Thank you. What the fuck?